Hi, and welcome to this Protea College training video. I'm Steve Basil, a trainer of Protea College, and today we're going to show you how to log in and get started into your course. When you completed your enrollment, you would have received an email with your login details and a link to our online student portal for your course. In order to log in, what you need to do is go to that email and click on the link. Otherwise, go to Google and type in bsbonline.com.au and you'll find our website there. Click on that link and it will take you into the website to get started. Once you've done that, all you need to do is log in using your login details. I'll use our demo login details for this purpose. And then click enter. When you first start out, the only unit you'll have available to you is your first unit. So when you're ready, you can go ahead and click on that unit and it'll take you in. Now, when you enter into the homepage for your unit, at the top, you'll see an introduction, which will tell you a little bit more about the unit and what you need to know. Below that, you'll see a list of required items for unit completion. Now, for each of your units in your course, there are 3 items that you'll need to complete to finish that unit. The first one is your eCoach learning content, which we'll talk about more in just a little bit. Second one is your unit quiz. And finally, you have your unit project. Now, before we get into the eCoach learning content, let me tell you about a couple other things that you can make use of here in your unit homepage. First of all, below your required items for unit completion, you'll see a list of additional resources that can help you. Now, they vary from unit to unit, but please take the time each time you begin a new unit to look over them and see what you might find useful. The other thing that you'll want to know, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a box that says Message My Teacher. If ever you need to get in contact with your trainer, all you'll need to do is go over to that box and click on the link for your trainer, and it will bring up an additional box where you can type a message and it'll send them a message and they'll get in contact with you to help you out. Now let's get into the first unit. Here in this video, we'll look at the eCoach learning content, which is the first module you'll need to complete in your unit. All right, now let's click on the eCoach learning content and have a look around. When you click on the eCoach learning content, it will take you into the home screen or the dashboard for your eCoach learning content, and you'll see a bunch of different slides here. Some of the slides are just reading slides, some are activities, others have other things that you'll need to do, including lesson checkpoints or short videos that you can watch, and you'll use those to go through and complete your eCoach learning content. When you're ready to get in and complete your eCoach learning content, all you need to do is click on that first slide, the introduction, and it will take you into the first page. Now, once you enter into the first page, you'll see that this slide is just a read. If you want to navigate around your eCoach learning content, in the right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see buttons to navigate from page to page. You can go back and forth, depending on which arrow you choose. If you want to go back to the home screen or dashboard for your eCoach learning content, all you'll need to do is press the arrow in the left-hand corner of your screen, and you can do that. Every time you finish a page on your eCoach learning content, it will leave a tick in the bottom right-hand corner of that page. That will show you or let you know that you've completed that page. The computer will save your progress as you go through your eCoach learning content. So if anytime you need to log out and go and do something else, you can do that. And when you come back, all you'll need to do is log back in to get started. Now, in order to complete your eCoach learning content, it's good to go through all of the pages to make sure you finish them all. The major things you'll need to make sure you get done are your checkpoints. So these checkpoint slides here, in order to complete your eCoach learning content, you'll have to complete each of those checkpoint slides, your eCoach learning content. Now, when you're ready to go back to the home screen, once you've completed your eCoach learning content, you will see that a green tick will appear in the box to the right-hand side of that title to show you that you have completed that. That usually happens within 30 minutes of completing the eCoach learning content. Once you finish that, you're all ready to get started with your unit quiz. We'll talk about that more in our next video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you needed any additional help, please email our office at study@proteacollege.com.au or call us at 07-3172-0386.